somewhere down the line. We changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to you. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore.
Back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I'm doing 3 Glam Easter DIY projects. I hope you enjoy. Guys, because I'm loving rustic glam at the moment, I was on the hunt for a neutral cushion with a gold glam theme, but I just couldn't find one, so decided to make my own. I picked up this neutral cushion from my local Spotlight store. Sticking with my Easter theme, I printed out an image of a bunny from Google and I cut it out. Using my bunny as my template, what I'm going to do is take the bunny and trace it out onto this beautiful gold sequin fabric that I picked up from Spotlight. Because I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and neat, I secured the bunny with some pins, then I traced it out.
Somewhere down the line, we change and we grow and we fall out of touch as time goes by. Oh, still I'm holding on to you.
Once you've cut him out, what you're going to do is going to hot glue him to the centre of the cushion.
I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore.
Now, to give my project some definition, I'm going to take this gold ribbon that I picked up from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it around the entire outline of the bunny. You're going to continue around until the entire project is complete.
If you want, open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in.
Once Mr. Bunny was complete, I picked up a packet of these pom-poms from Spotlight, and I'm going to use one on his tail. I'm also going to add the pom-poms to each corner of the cushion.
If you If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything.
Now to glam things up even more, I took a piece of Chanel ribbon and I cut a piece to size across his neck and glued it in place.
Baby, you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me.
I then moved on to my second DIY. I recently picked up these cute tea towels, guys, from Kmart Australia, and I knew I could add an Easter theme to them as well. I took another one of those Glam bunnies that I cut out from the fabric, and then I took that beautiful gold ribbon and I went around the outside, hot gluing it in place. I then added a black pom-pom this time for his tail, as well as some black Chanel ribbon.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make.
I then moved on to my final DIY, guys. I absolutely loved this cute little white bunny I picked up last year from TK Maxx, but I didn't like the flowers around his head. So I wanted to really glam up this bunny by giving him a Chanel theme. I started first of all by removing the flowers from his head. Now I didn't remove the vine around his head as I wanted to keep that as the base. So I took some black dollar store flowers and what I'm going to do is just hot glue them across the front. I'm then going to take my favourite Chanel ribbon and I'm going to just add it over the top of his neck and add it crosswise at the front. I then added this beautiful brooch that I pick up from Spotlight and I hot glued that to the centre of the ribbon. Guys, just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to make over this gorgeous bunny into the home decor style that I love.
Capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast. And the radio playing our songs.
Guys, I love sharing simple and inexpensive projects that anyone could make. I advise you to shop your own home. You may have something there that you could make over, and you could save money on decorating per season.
From the back of your dad's red. From the back of your dad's red track. Lost in your eyes, I go back inside my head, falling too fast. I can't wait another day. Can you hear me calling? I am losing all my breath, fading into darkness. We just need to find a way. If I go, would you follow? Would you stay around? Would you stay around? Can we make it till tomorrow? Are we out of time? Are we out of time?
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. Don't forget that you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Chellesglamhome too, where I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam.
Talking, need to get it off my chest. Can you hear me calling? I am losing all my breath, fading into darkness. We just need to find a way.
Guys, next time you're out and about and come across inexpensive tea towels, grab some and store them away. This is a perfect example of saving money, guys, where you can personalise your own tea towels per season.
Would you follow? Would you stay around? Would you stay around? Can we make it till tomorrow? Are we out of time? Are we out of time?
Now, if you love glam decorating like I do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video. Share the video as many times as you can, guys, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family.
Eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they say. Now looking at you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own Easter DIYs. I so appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I will be back real soon, guys, with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chellesglamhome. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.